Hey everyone, today I'm going to be taking a look at this AKASO Dash Cam. I believe the model number is the AKASO V1. Yeah, Dash Cam V1. Not my first AKASO product that I've tried out. I'm actually filming this on the AKASO Brave 4K, which I actually like a lot. But anyway, today I'd like to open this guy up and kind of see what's inside. And so here we go. According to the box, got a 170-degree wide-angle lens, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi built in, 1728 by 1296p resolution, and night vision as well. So one more look at the front. All right. And inside the box, looks like we got a couple of windshield mounts. The actual camera, which, wow, that thing is tiny, which I guess is good for mounting on your dash. Anyway, here's that little guy. I got some covers over the screens to help protect those. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh. Comes with a car charger, as well as an extra USB cable as well, and a micro SD card with this one that I got, 16 gig card. And kind of surprised that it comes with a car charger as well, but that's really cool. So anyway, wait to get this in the car and try it out. Before I fire this up in the car, I did want to kind of point out some things on the actual device itself. The SD memory slot right there on the side. Just like the Brave 4, you almost have to use a fingernail to get the SD card in there. So if you struggle with that, you're not alone. It looks like there's a Wi-Fi button and a mic on the side as well. And on the other side, we've got a power and charging slot. I'm probably covering up. And on the front, we've got some navigation buttons. So we'll be playing with those here shortly. Okay, so I got the dash cam mounted in here. I went ahead and just mounted it directly behind the mirror. Decided to run it up and stick my little cord holders along the edge here. Just kind of ran it down the side and eventually just kind of tucked it inside the door, the weather stripping here, and ran it all up underneath until it comes out at my cigarette lighter outlet right there. So anyway, looks pretty good up there. And I will go ahead and cut it on so you can see the power light come on. And you can see that it is working. So I'll give it a try later on here this afternoon. Okay, so I got driving down the road here. So far, pretty impressed. I really like that it turns itself on as soon as I start up the car. As soon as it gets power, it immediately starts recording. So I don't have to press any buttons or do anything. I've noticed that the video is very, very smooth, which really didn't surprise me since I do have the Brave 4K action cam. It's very much the same. If you've used any of those action cameras, that are real similar to this, but this is very, very smooth. You can see a lot of sunlight coming in here, and video quality is still quite good. Okay, here's some night video, just driving through the neighborhood. Nothing but some street lights and my headlights on, obviously. I can see just fine. Color, you can see the grass. Picture's still quite clear, and no issues at all here. So far, I've never been a dash cam guy, but I think I will be now. This thing does a really good job, and the best part, again, is I don't have to do anything. The fact that it turns itself on and turns itself off makes it really easy, and so if I ever needed to pull footage from it, it wouldn't be a problem. The other thing by default is that it's set up initially by recording in 3-minute segments, which would be nice if you did have to go pull something. You don't have to pull down 25 minutes worth of video. You can just go to the timestamp and get what you need. Okay, so overall thoughts of the AKASO Dash Cam V1. It works exactly like I said it does. Video quality is good. The image stabilization is really, really top notch as far as I can tell. My truck bounces around a lot and I have no real issues. The video quality was very smooth. The setup was really, really easy. I was really surprised at everything that came with it, including the memory card, the USB cigarette lighter adapter as well, and everything else. I think the only thing I forgot to mention is that it does come with a static cling decal for your windshield, and I'm guessing that probably helps it keep from leaving a residue behind if you decide to take it down. So, which I really like that. Overall, very impressed especially for the money. Again, having used the AKASO Brave 4K camera, which this is being filmed with now, I was not surprised overall at the image quality, but bang for the buck, can't beat it.